Shet Jewelers and Diamond House. Beyond Limits. Women redefining success.
Namaskara. Beyond Limits, Women Redefining Success. A beautiful program brought to you by SL Shet Jewelers and Diamond House, Hampankatta, Mangalore. In today's life and world, we see around us a lot of beauty. There is beauty in your house, there is beauty in nature. And when Tasneem, she saw beauty all around, and the beauty inside of her in terms of her design, aesthetics, she created Quraysh. Welcome to Beyond Limits.
Thank you, Sarita.
Tasneem, it's wonderful to have you.
Same here.
And we are so eager and happy to know your journey as an entrepreneur. How did it all start?
Well, I never thought of that I'll be reaching this place, but then it was the passion that I had, getting the right things. First, it was for myself. I mean, adorning homes, doing things, getting the right thing. In this process, so many failures, so many not up to the mark. And then when I finally get approved of things, that's when I think, yeah, this is the right one. So that's when I had small pop-ups, then had big shows.
Okay. So what I can see is from a homemaker,
Yeah.
with lovely children, a very supportive husband, a beautiful home, which you used to take care of decorating in terms of the curtains, the bedspreads, the warmers, and those beautiful things which you can buy for your home. She used to buy for her house, and then in the process, something inside her told her that this is something unique I have, right?
Yes. Always when I find things, good things, and then I think of how to reach out to.
Right.
How to just show the best things, at one platform where you don't find anything which is not good, you're just happy and content taking the best things.
Right.
That's what I like, that satisfaction from the customer. When I'm satisfied, I think, yes, I'm damn sure.
Yes, that's true. So the main meaning of Quraysh, that's your
My
venture,
store, yes.
the store. And can you tell us more about the name? Like, it's very different, it's very unique.
Yes, first there was a lot of name searching around. How do I name my brand? How to brand mine? And then somewhere it got settled. This is Quraysh is our tribe,
Okay.
and it somewhere gets connected to the best. I mean, the best out.
Okay.
There's no comparison.
No comparison.
Yeah.
Okay.
So be the same thing even shows in the name, and the product, justifies
definitely. So how a seed idea which took place in your heart and your soul, that yes, this is what I want to do. I want to source furnishings from all over India, and then I want to bring it to the world, bring it to the consumer. And that was what people appreciated in you. When you decorated your house, people would ask you, right, from where did you get your curtains, from where did you get your bedspreads. So when they started asking you, you thought, why don't I just source out a little more and have it given to my friends and relatives.
Yeah, it all began like that. Earlier, when we are making a house, when we are planning a home, it's what you are, your home represents.
Right.
An individual, what you are, what you like. Then again, getting the things, knowing this is how we just don't get into first, knowing what the client wants, their
Right.
likes. Then we settle, we know, and then that's
The
when
colours.
what is their taste, what kind of things. Earlier, when there are people who go abroad and shop for their things.
Right.
We have from worldwide, we have things. We have
Okay.
from different countries.
So where is your store, Tasneem?
It's in Mangalore, in Kankanady.
It's in Kankanady.
Yeah.
Okay.
We have one store which has all artifacts and furnishing, soft linen, soft beddings, and now we're coming up with another venture with curtains and drapes.
Okay.
Uh,
Lovely. So
yes.
Mangalore, you can await a beautiful new store called Quraysh, where you will get the best of the world in terms of furnishings.
Yes, best quality we cater
So
to.
how did you manage with your soul project, which is Quraysh, and your part of the soul project, which is your family? So how was it managing both?
Everything has a plan, you know. It's earlier from like getting married early, again motherhood, and this.
Yes.
I mean, this is a platform which is
Right.
given to me at the right time.
So you shifted from Bangalore, is it?
No, we were earlier in North, in MP.
Okay.
I did my schooling and all from Bangalore.
Okay.
And then this part of passion was there, but then this trading thing has come in the blood, in the genes, with the grandparents and all. Seeing all of them, I didn't know any time I could do this. I mean, being a woman, I
Right.
didn't know I had this talent in me. Maybe.
So when you discovered that you have this passion for bringing, home furnishings or artifacts, be it curtains, blinds, and making it a business. So then from there on, like what were the challenges you faced and how did you overcome them?
See, it's not only my part, you know, there's a whole lot of backstage
Right.
support, you know,
Correct.
otherwise I'm just the face. A nice husband who's been supportive throughout, a son who's like my best critic,
Okay,
biggest
lovely.
critic,
Yeah.
and also my support system.
Right.
When we are sourcing something, when we are doing something, we do our best.
Correct.
We do our best and see to that the person who's taking it is happy.
Right.
That's what makes our day. Whenever we meet someone somewhere and then they tell, and it's word of mouth that's brought me so far.
Okay,
It's just
that's
meeting
wonderful.
and yeah.
So the way you connect with your customers and then
Yes.
you help them create the home they look out for.
Yes.
And they have always thought that it should be like this, and you help them to get the stuff they want. So that's what makes your venture a success.
I haven't thought like from a journey from home to getting your products in architectural magazines and
Yes, how was that been?
I didn't expect from the leading photographer to good big projects. I
Okay.
mean, asking architects calling and asking for
So
the
how
fine
has that been,
finishing.
you know, like-
I.
So it's
I
been a
mean,
step-by-step journey. From home you started to your store, and today you're on magazines.
Yes.
So
all
can you
good.
share something about that experience?
Everyone, as I said, when they come up, we want to make a house. They have so many aspirations behind. We
Right.
want it like that, like this, and it's how we understand what they want and take and help. It's a
Okay.
complete journey. How
Right.
at the end. So, and then when later when the entire thing goes the professional way, and it's been picked for such big awards and all is also a very
Correct.
thing.
So anybody who's constructing a house, maybe they
Coming
would,
up with, yes,
So
of
they
course.
would come to you for selection of.
Yes, we work with, have our own team of architects and interior designers.
Okay.
Apart from that, we also collaborate. I mean,
Okay.
the luxury part of styling, the
Right.
finishing part of the house, that's where we come.
You all come in.
Yes.
So it's like a teamwork.
Yeah.
So you have the interior, you have the architect, you have the interior designer,
When
and you
the
are the
platform is
stylist.
ready, we are the stylist, just like icing the cake.
Oh.
That's where our part is, just getting the right thing at the right
Correct.
place. And then when we hand over the project, just seeing that immense satisfaction in the customers.
That's right.
thing,
So what
you
are the
know.
products in terms of new houses getting constructed? Then what is the icing that you're talking about? What are the things that you put in place in a particular house? Like it
See,
could be
once the painting and everything is done there, then comes all the topper parts. I mean,
Correct.
the layering of different
Right.
things, finishing where what has to be done, which part has to aesthetically, which has to be accessorized, and
so
each-
the cushions, everything.
paintings,
Yes,
paintings.
paintings.
Everyone has a different style, and they're very happy when we learn about what they like,
Right.
and then getting them the right
Yes,
things.
yes.
I mean, enjoying this path.
So beautifying homes is your passion, and she's beautifying a lot of homes here in Mangalore and Woodby. And what is your dream for Quraysh, and how do you look at the future now at this point of your life?
So far, God has brought me through it's all done very placed in a right place. Looking forward to working hard.
So you are looking forward to more stores, and whereby you could
More
even
work,
connect.
more projects,
Okay.
more satisfying clients,
Okay,
more good homes.
great. So that's Quraysh. In which area is your store?
It's in Kankanady.
Kankanady, okay. And
Mangalore
you-
Gate. That's
Okay.
where our store is.
Okay, and you can connect to clients across the globe.
Everywhere. I mean, once
You do
you
online
buy,
consultation.
yes, once you take a product, I'm sure you're going to come back.
That's excellent. So we
That's
have
our confidence.
okay, so lovely. A house is a house, but when it becomes a home, that's where Tasneem Quraysh comes in the picture. She creates a homely environment for the house, right? With the
Yes.
most beautiful furnishings. So thank you,
Thank you,
Tasneem, for
Sarita.
sharing your beautiful journey with us, and I'm sure the viewers have loved it. And any inspirational message you would like to give, because there are so many girls who would like to explore their talent and bring out something unique.
I know it's not easy, but then there were so many people who are already in this who came and said, if you are entering, you need to have your backbone strong. You
Right.
have to be able to take the kicks. You can't give up at all. And yes, so many hurdles, but then you have to go on.
Okay, so what was a challenge, biggest challenge that you faced in your profession? Do you wish to share it with us?
Challenges is like we've started it from, just from a small pop-ups from home to now doing
Projects.
big projects. So
So you need to understand that hard work and commitment.
yeah,
and,
when we
never
are doing
say
something,
die.
yes, when we do our best, nature pays. I mean, when we are doing our best, there's no looking back. We always going forward. That's what I feel.
Oh, that's a sweet message from Tasneem. When you do your best, nature takes care of the rest.
Yes.
So just keep doing your best, keep giving the best to the world, and the best will come back to you multiple times. This is our program, which is Beyond Limits, Women Redefining Success, brought to you by Shet Jewelers and Diamond House, Hampankatta, Mangalore. We look forward to another exciting episode with a woman entrepreneur who is making her mark in the world of business. Thank you.
Thank you, Sarita.
Thank you,
Thank you,
Tasneem.
V4, and thank you, Shet, for this lovely platform.
Thank you.
Shet Jewelers and Diamond House. Beyond Limits. Women Redefining Success.